Good morning, student. My name is Roshan. Today I will teach you computer class 8 and today's topic is introduction of Python. Okay. First of all, what is a Python? Python is a simple and general purpose high level and object oriented programming language. Okay. It was developed by Kaido Van Rossum and it was released in 1991. Okay, it was the free and open source software. General purpose means you can use different type of programming language for develop software. Okay, and open source means you can download free from the internet and you can use any operating system. Okay, that means open source. Okay, now programming language. What is the programming language? A programming language is a formal language to design, communicate with computers. Okay, so what is the features of Python? Okay, there are different features of Python. First, easy to learn and use. Python is a very easy to learn and use. Okay. Now second is the expensive language. So Python is an expensive language. Okay. Now third one is the interpreted language. Python is the interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language that is interpret, execute code line by line. Okay. Now fourth is the cross platform. Cross platform means you can use different type of operating system like Windows operating system, Macintosh operating system, Linux operating system. Okay. Now, free and open source. You can use free and open source. Now, fifth is the GUI supported. GUI means graphical user interface. So, Python is supported GUI and CLI both. Okay. Now we will see how to install Python, okay, in our computers. So first of all, to make sure internet available on your computer. After that, download the latest version of Python, okay, from Google server. Okay, your Python downloaded in your computer. Then double click on downloaded file, then click on run. Okay, after that setup screen appear on the screen. Setup screen appear on the screen. After that click on install. Okay, then setup was successfully installed in your computer. Then finally Python install on your computer. Okay, so now we'll see how to install Python. Now, how to start the Python program. Okay, so there are two ways for open Python program. First, GUI mode and second is the CLI mode. GUI mode stands for graphical user interface and CLI mode character line interface. Okay, GUI mode, process of GUI mode. Okay, how to open? First, click on start button. After that, click on all program. Okay, then click on Python folder and expand it. Okay, so you can see. Click on IDLE Python. IDLE stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. Okay. So after that, click on IDLE Python. Then Python is open in GUI mode. Okay. Now second is the CLI mode. How to open CLI mode? First, press the Window plus R key on the keyboard. Okay. Window plus R key. Then type the command CMD. What is the command? CMD. Okay. Command prompt. Okay. Now, then type the Python command. Okay. Then Python open in CLI mode. Now, how to write Python program? Okay. So first of all, open Python. After Python said window appear on the screen, then click on File menu. Okay. Click on File menu. The new Python file open. Okay. After type the Python program, Python code. For example, print welcome to Bethel Mission. Okay. So here print is the function. Okay. It is used to print the text or message on the screen. Okay. After that, program is complete, ready. Then how to save the program? Okay. How to save? First, click on File menu. After that, click on Save As. After that, type the file name with .py extension. Okay. Py is the Python extension of py is the extension of Python program. Okay. Then your Python program has been saved in your computer. After that, how to run the program? Okay. So you can use two way, shortcut and step by step. So for step by step method, go to the run menu. After that, click on run. Your program has been run. And shortcut, you can use F5 key. Okay. F5 is the function 5. Okay. Now, next point is the variable. Now we will see variable. What is the variable? A variable, it is a name given to the memory location. Okay. So how to declare the variable in Python? So rules of variable declaration. First, variable must be alphabet and underscore. Okay. For example, A is a variable, A underscore B, etc. Okay. Second rule, except the first character, all the character is alphabet or lowercase, uppercase and digits. Okay. For example, A, capital A underscore, B, small b, A1, B1, etc. Now, third rule, variable name must not contain the white space. In Python programming, variable name must not contain the white space and special symbol like exclamation, @ as, dollar and percentage, etc. Okay. Now, next rule is variable name must not be similar to Python keyword. Okay. Like print. Okay. Print, if, else. This is the Python keyword. Okay. Now we will see Python data types. There are basically three type of Python data type. First is the integer, second is the floating point, and third one is the string data type. Okay, integer data type. An integer is a number which is whole number and cannot have a fractional value. Okay. For example, integer data type 1, 10, 50, 100, 1000. It is the integer data type. Okay. Now, second is the floating point. A floating point number is one which can have decimal value like 1.0, 2.5, 3.5. This is the floating point of data type. Okay. Now, third one is the string data type. So, what is the string? A string is a collection of character. Okay. What is the string? A string is a collection of character. For example, suppose type name NAME. It is a group of character that is called a string data type. Okay. Okay, students. So today I will discuss introduction of Python and how to run the program, how to declare the variable, and type of data types. Today is enough. Thank you.